Hello teaching friends, my name is Teacher Stephanie from teachingstephanie.com. On this channel, we talk all about finding the fun with online teaching. I currently work for two companies online teaching, which is Outschool and VIP Kid. I love doing this because it lets me be a stay-at-home mom with my passion of teaching. I get to do this, it fills me up, and I really love meeting kids from all over the world teaching my favorite subjects. If you want to find more about what I do, what these companies offer, and how I do it, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see all of my tips and tricks for teaching online with these companies. I have so many free resources for you here on this channel and on my website, so be sure to check them out. If you ever have any questions, you can always email me at teachingstephanieo@gmail.com. I will see you in the classroom.